There are things that we need to be aware of. And I want to focus on the indexes. So if you are here, okay, and you're setting up to roll again down here, it's an issue and we need to be aware of it. 205's been resistance, okay? That's definitely something that we want to watch. We're right on that 200-day. And are we rejecting? Yes. My argument is it's just too obvious. It's just so obvious that this is where you would reject and in this manner. And I have been doing this a while, so maybe it's easy for me to spot. I don't know, but to me, that's just so blatantly obvious that I just don't see it. And then again, you're going to predict that it's going to come all the way back, or are you saying that we're going to drop 2 or 3%, so you want to short, right? So the game's changed a little bit with these higher lows, and we kind of have to understand that. Even today, you have the IWM down 1.6%, right? The SPY was down 63 basis points. So if we take out the pre and the post, okay, we closed above the open. This 429.62, we'll just call it 4,300 because that's what everyone's watching on SPY futures. Yes, you're right here. Yes, here's your resistance line. Yes, here's your DTL. It seems pretty obvious that we would have a problem here, right? But we're not down 2.5%, 3% today. And I think that's the point that I'm trying to get at. You're down 60 basis points. Okay, that's not really a reason for a panic, in my opinion, right? So that's something that I would keep in mind. If you take a look at the Qs, same thing, right to that 330 level, and you're kind of wedged in here. I was pointing this out earlier, how the trajectory is starting to change a little bit on these. Let me just remove that one. And what you could see is you could flip, and you can test this 341, just like you did over here. My point is that it's just not going to be this clean if we're going to reject. It's not going to be this glaringly obvious. And the other thing that I will say that my antenna did go up a little bit on today was the VIX tried to rise again, but all the VIX did was get to 20. So we're not seeing a tremendous amount of buying there either. So no one's really buying protection. The markets are somewhat going sideways. Things are not falling out of bed. Right? Even the larger names are not really collapsing. You have some names that came in a little bit, but overall, nothing crazy. So if you like this clip, click on the left to watch another one, or if you want to see the entire video, click on the right.